Dreary, blustery, and downright cold was the weatherman's call for March 26th of 2011. Old Man Winter was making one last stand before spring came back, and that made it downright miserable to stand trackside for more than a few minutes at a time. Still, the signal held the promise of a train, and like any devoted rail fan would do, we toughed it out. It took the better part of 30 minutes, but it was definitely worth freezing our butts off over because of the locomotive in the lead. BNSF 8250 was built as the number 250 for Santa Fe in September of 1995. She was the last unit delivered to Santa Fe before the merger with Burlington Northern was approved on September 22nd of that year. She was to be the final locomotive ever painted for Santa Fe's Superfleet, as the remaining units on Santa Fe's orders were lettered for the brand new Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, becoming the fate bonnets we all know and love today. The end of the train passed the searchlights that guarded the north end of Britain siding and disappeared. Those signals, too, would disappear within a couple of years, fading the line's heritage a little further into history. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.